dispose of this fabric. I will telling about fabric rejection systems SOP. So you will first my YouTube channel visit. Just press a subscribe button. Press this notification bell icon. Is first notified you. Let's get started now. If this fabric is rejected, it should be properly disposed of. This prevent from this being used this manufacturing process. This might improve sending this fabric back to the supplier or disposing of this in a upper number. Spacing or your people disposal. It's important to have a color and throw-out fabric rejection SOP in place to ensure that defective fabric is identified and dealt with in a consistent number. This can help prevent quality issues and improve the efficiency of this garment's manufacturing process. Steps of fabric rejections. Here are a few steps you can follow to reject a fabric. Inspect this fabric. Clarify, examine this fabric to identify any defects or issues that may make it unstable of use. And this can include flaw in the fabric itself. Is as whole, strands, discoloration was issues with this air where the fabric was cut on sewing. Keep documentation. Make a note of any issues you find with this fabric as well as any relevant details such as location with its defects and defects. This several in these issues. It may so be helpful to take photos and videos documentation is these issues.